Dickie Dickson, everybody. Oh my word. Oh, goodness gracious me. Oh, thank you. Oh, goodness gracious me. Gentlemen and lady of the Model Railway Press. Now that COVID is over, we are finally able to meet in person. Hello and welcome to the Mart-Martinson Models 2022 range launch. Now, last year our new Murgle locomotive was an incredible success. We actually managed to sell out of that product overnight. That is correct, we actually did sell all 3 models overnight. Yeah. Obviously, I was given one by the company. The second example we sent off to Jeremy Brown-Nose, who did an incredible job of reviewing that product for us, and we're very pleased about that. And then the third example was actually purchased by a gentleman called Arthur. And we've actually got a short video clip of Arthur receiving his Murgle. And I think we'll take a little look at that together now, shall we? Okay, here we go.
This is Arthur. He's dead. The Mart-Martinson Mogul was unpacked for him and then left on static display. He gave his debit card to Mart-Martinson back when the model was announced, and then sadly died of boredom waiting for the model to arrive.
So I will be passing you on to Martin very shortly, and he will be taking you through the new range. But firstly, I did want to make a small announcement about price increases. Now, as a result of the increased shipping costs from China, we will be having to impose a price increase across our entire range by approximately 50%. Now, this is to ensure that our high standards and our incredible levels of quality are able to be maintained. And it also means that my holiday this year will be able to be 8 weeks long instead of just 4. Yes. Next, due to the absolutely unprecedented popularity of our locomotives to date, we will be increasing our production capacity to 4 examples of each model. Single figures, mind you, ladies and gentlemen, single figures, so you must act quickly if you'd like to secure a model, or risk missing out, okay?
You are a total rip-off.
Young man, how dare you accuse my company of ripping people off? I'll have you know that we have no choice but to raise our prices. I'll give you the figures. It's 6, 4, 28. Go on, Martin, take over the show. I've got to calm down.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mart-Martinson.
Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for coming to watch our 2022 range launch video for Mart-Martinson models. I wanted to start the little presentation with a few words about the inspiration for our new range, which actually all started from one of my trips to the laundrette on a Tuesday morning. I was looking at...
No, Martin, no, I think you need to cut to the chair.
We have prepared a short video with the contents of our 2022 range inside. I hope you enjoy the video.
And I hope you buy everything that we have for sale.
I hope you have a nice time.
We're following the Mart-Martinson team as they prepare to launch their brand new range. First, we visit Archibald Iscoming, the marketing executive, who has just embarked on a customer liaison trip.
Hello, my name's Royston and I'm head and shoulders of development here at the Mart-Martinson Model Mart. And this year we are going to revolutionise the model railway industry. For years and years, the model buying public have been wasting their money on trains with smoking chimneys. Now this idea is dull, it's boring, it's not creative, it's stale. So we're going to make some changes. This year, instead of making trains with smoking chimneys, we're going to be making trains that smoke pipes instead. And we're going to call the range Pipe Trains. Pipe Trains, be-doo-be-doo-be-doo-be-doo-be. Pipe Trains, be-doo-be-doo-be-doo-be-doo-be. Pipe Trains, be-doo-be-doo-be-doo-be-doo-be.
This has been a pipe dream of mine for many, many years. But at long last, this model is off the wish list and into my hands. So this is one of our first decorated samples, as you can see. This is the Flying Scotsman, complete with the pipe. And this is a very elegant pipe, which you can fill with tobacco, or anything else flammable for that matter. A particular favourite of mine is garlic powder, which is very fragrant, as I'm sure you might understand.
I think that pipe trains are just the ticket for this hobby. Innovation is not something you see every day, and pipe trains is innovation.
This is Paul. He's been in charge of customer services for almost 1 year now.
It is very important for a customer service operative to be very dynamic and engaging, and that is the reason why I chose Paul.
Of course, a lot of this stems from when I was a boy, you know.
A lot of what?
Well, a lot of the pipe trains, of course.
Dickie is a very important member of our team. He doesn't know very much about models, but he has got a lot of money, so he's very important.
I've taken this home and I've put it on my track. And the way the smoke works is just unbelievable. It billows out of this pipe just wonderfully. You will not believe the quantity of smoke that this model can produce. I mean, I couldn't see 2 inches in front of me. The whole room was just puffing with smoke.
I like his glasses. Our packaging department is very important for making sure that our models leave our facilities in good condition. And so we actually interviewed each member of the warehouse staff before giving them a job, and I personally looked at their photographs, and I did not choose anybody that I thought looked boisterous or untrustworthy, or might steal a model, or might break a model.
Here I have the second pipe train in our range, and this one is one for the kiddies. Now you might recognise this little fellow. You might say that he looks a little bit like Thomas the Tank Engine, but to avoid any copyright bother, we're going to change the name of this locomotive to Tamas. That's T-A-M-A-S, the Tank Engine. So hopefully nobody that works for Gullane will know that we've borrowed one of their characters.
I can't believe that I work for such an amazing company.
Trains that smoke a tobacco pipe rather than a smoking chimney. Now that is a creative idea. It's a creative idea, it's never been done before, and nobody's going to copy it.
Chuff, 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 Thomas. It's a lovely day.
This is Gregory. He's the chairman of the repairs department.
So, in the unlikely event that one of the models should be returned to us, it's my job to repair the thing so that it works again for the customer. Now, I've got a great variety of tools available at my disposal, really. It's just a case of picking the right one and then just going for it, really. Have you ever damaged a model? Oh yeah, most of the time. Yeah, most of the models go back to the customers in bits, you know. But, you know, the thing is that this hobby is about having fun. It's about doing what you like. And I like smashing models to smithereens, you see. That's what I like to do. I just have to hope that there's some customer on the other end that likes putting them back together again. So I suppose you could say we're a bit like Jack Sprat and his wife in some respects, you know. So what are your thoughts on smoking? I think it's fantastic. A very creative idea.
No, I mean the person smoking tobacco.
Oh, I hate it. It's horrible. Horrible. Dirty, filthy habit.
I've run out of all the words. I haven't got any more words.
Alright, I'll click send now, innit? I ain't doing this job no more.
Ladies and gentlemen of the Model Railway Press, I hope you have enjoyed seeing our new 2022 announcements for the year. I want you to know that my company is one that you can trust with your money.
It is a great investment.
Oh, and any model purchased from our company is a great investment.
And it's for keeps.
And it is for keeps. And I have said it now, so that must be true. Ladies and gentlemen of the Model Railway Press, I want to thank you for your enthusiasm towards our new range, and we will be putting an advertisement into each of your magazines to show our appreciation. Good night and happy modelling.